Hello Henley students. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Piet Mondrian composition with red, blue, and yellow in a different shape. First I have a piece of white paper, pencil, crayons in red, yellow, and blue, the primary colors, and a black crayon. I'm going to use a ruler to draw my straight edges, but if you don't have a ruler, you can always use a box, like a cereal box that's been flattened out, or anything else that you can find in your house that has a straight edge. So first, before I start drawing, I'm going to turn my rectangle into a different shape. I'm going to fold my rectangle in half because I want my shape to be symmetrical. And symmetrical means that it's the same on both sides. I'm going to draw a heart shape with my pencil, but I'm only going to draw half of the heart. Okay. Now I'm going to use the scissors, holding them the safe way always, and cut on the line, or as close to the line as I can get. Whenever I cut, I always make sure that I move the paper, not my cutting hand. And I always make sure that my fingers are safe from the scissors. Okay. When I open my shape, it's a heart. Now on my heart, I'm going to draw vertical and horizontal lines. Vertical lines go up and down. This one's going to go from the top to the bottom. Horizontal lines go left to right, or right to left, side to side. Some of my vertical lines are going to go from top to bottom, and some of my horizontal lines will go from edge to edge, and some of them I think I'm just going to draw some small ones. So from this line down to the bottom. Maybe from this line over to the left. When I'm done, you'll see that I have some boxes, rectangle and square shaped boxes, and some boxes are a little different because of the edges of the paper. Okay, now I'm going to color. Some of the boxes will be red, some of them will be blue, some will be yellow. I think I'm going to do mine just like Piet Mondrian and just do one of each color and then leave the rest of them white. I'm going to pause the video and then I'll pick it back up when I'm done coloring. Okay, now I have a red, yellow, and blue section, and I left the others white. The last step that I'm going to do is to take my black crayon and trace over my lines. Now I didn't want to make these lines with the black crayon to start because black smears. If you always do the black first, you'll find that when you color another color next to it, it smears the black. And I wanted my reds and my yellows and my blues to be nice and clean. If you break your crayons, it's okay. They still work. I do that a lot. Last one. Now, just like with Piet Mondrian, I can leave some of these lines thin, and then I can make some of them thick. I think I want to make this one right here, just in between the yellow and the blue, thick, just to tie the two colors together. So I'm just going to draw a little extra black using my straight edge. All done. I hope you enjoyed making your Piet Mondrian composition with red, blue, and yellow in different shapes. You can use whatever shape you want for your composition.